All right, question 3D from the NCEA 2017 external exam for algebra for year 12. Now we've got an expression here which I'm noticing says we've got to write as a single fraction in its simplest form. Before we do that, I think it's worth stating here that if we expand that out, we end up with something important. That is equal to 9 over x plus 3 x minus 3 plus 3 over, and I'm going to expand this out actually as well. This really is going to be 2 times x plus 3. Now, the reason I've done that is just to state from the beginning that x here cannot be a 3. Otherwise, this would be a no solution. And x also here cannot be negative 3, otherwise this would be 0 at the bottom. You can't have a denominator of 0. So put note, I can put it down at the bottom here. No, I'll put it up here. So note, in solution, x cannot equal 3 and x cannot equal negative 3, yeah? So it can't equal either of those, yeah? So it can't equal, I better put an or there actually, an or statement works much better. X cannot be 3 or x cannot be negative 3. All right, that being the case, let's go ahead now and simplify this. So first of all, I just want to cross multiply all this. So I'm going to keep the bottom as it is, basically, which put a long vinculum. I've got x plus 3, x minus 3 times, I'll put the 2 in front, by the way. I've got another x plus 3 there. And we're going to have 2 lots of this, which is going to be 2 lots of that. It's going to be 18 x plus 3 plus 3 lots of x plus 3, x minus 3. There it is. Put a line down the middle because we might need a bit more room. So straight away I can start to cross some things off here. I cross an x plus 3 off there, an x plus 3 off there, and of course 1 off the bottom. So now what are we left with? We're left with an 18 plus 3 lots of x, which will be 3x, and 3 times that is going to be minus 9 over 2 lots of x plus 3, x minus 3. All right. Gonna have some barking dogs, I'm sorry. Excuse that noise. Oi! No barking. Yeah, not that that will do anything. 18 minus 9. Well, 18 minus 9 is going to leave me with 3x plus 9 on the top, which is 2x plus 3, x minus 3 on the bottom. And I'm going to factorize this bit at the top here. So I've got, it's going to be 3x plus 3 on the top. And I've got 2x plus 3 on the bottom, x minus 3 also on the bottom. And I can cross off these two because x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is, of course, 1. So I'm left on the top here, I'm left with a 3. And I've got the 2x minus 3 on the bottom. I'm going to expand this out for no other reason than the top was left in expanded form. So it's equal to 3 on 2x minus 6. With the note, and we as we said before, x cannot equal 3 or x cannot equal negative 3. And we should probably just mention that if we want to be succinct and accurate in our simplification. Hope that makes sense.